Welcome back to the Wallet Types video series, a collection of short, focused videos to help you understand and protect your crypto and Web3 wallets. In this short video, we explore one of the safest and most reliable methods of storing digital assets, the cold wallet. A cold wallet keeps your private keys completely offline, disconnected from the internet and safe from remote attacks. In crypto, a cold wallet acts as your personal vault, built for protection, not speed, and ideal for holding large or long-term investments. Understanding how cold wallets work, the types available, and how to set them up and store them properly is essential to keeping your assets safe from hackers, scams, and costly mistakes. Let's look at the main types of cold wallets and how they compare in security and practicality. First, the hardware wallet. This is a dedicated physical device that stores your private keys offline. It's the safest personal option for long-term holding, but only if purchased from official sources. Using a second-hand or tampered device can expose your funds. And remember, losing your PIN or recovery backup means losing access permanently. Second, the paper wallet. A paper wallet stores your private and public keys physically, either printed on paper, engraved on metal, or written down securely. It's completely offline and immune to online hacks, but fragile and impractical for frequent use. Paper can burn, fade, or be copied, so handle it like physical gold. Third, the air-gapped computer or USB setup. This method uses an old computer or device permanently disconnected from the internet. It allows for fully custom cold storage, ideal for advanced users. But it requires technical knowledge and careful transaction signing to avoid accidentally exposing your private keys. Before we continue, if you find this content valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue creating free educational content. Thank you. Now let's go through the key steps to safely set up and maintain your cold wallet. Step 1. Buy securely. Always purchase hardware wallets directly from official or verified sellers. This prevents tampered or pre-configured devices. Step 2. Initialize offline. Set up your wallet without connecting to any network. This ensures your private keys are generated safely and never exposed online. Step 3. Record your backup safely. Write your seed phrase on paper or metal, never store it digitally. Digital backups can be hacked, copied, or lost. Step 4. Use strong pins and passphrases. If your device allows it, add an extra passphrase layer. It protects your funds even if someone steals the physical wallet. Step 5. Store in separate locations. Keep backups in different, secure, fireproof, and dry locations. This reduces total loss from theft, damage, or natural disasters. Step 6. Verify before connecting. Only install official software or firmware updates from the manufacturer. Fake firmware or phishing updates can compromise your wallet instantly. This was a short introduction to cold wallets, your offline vault for long-term crypto safety. To test what you've learned, visit cryptosafetyfirst.com and take a short quiz to check your cold wallet security knowledge. You'll find the link in the video description. And if you'd like to go deeper, explore the 3-wallet model, your guide to structuring crypto safely for daily use, active trading, and long-term storage. For more free lessons, downloadable resources, and educational videos, visit cryptosafetyfirst.com. Stay informed. Stay secure. Stay in control, and help others stay safe too. Thanks for watching.